In this short video, I'm going to introduce a very useful function called the SUMPRODUCT. SUMPRODUCT, the parameters are simply arrays. You can do SUMPRODUCT of more than 2 arrays. Let's look at the data here. There are 2 arrays. Each array has 2 columns and 6 rows. To specify the array, you're going to use the top left cell and the bottom right cell. So in this case, SUMPRODUCT of these 2 arrays is going to be A1 to B6. That's the first array. And the second array is C1 to D6. An array doesn't have to contain multiple rows and multiple columns. A single column is also array. And SUMPRODUCT can add together of products of more than 1 column. Let's look at this example. Each column is treated as an array. So the first array is from A1 to A6. Second array is B1 to B6. And Excel can calculate the total of the products. So in this case, is going to be 10 times 79 times 1 times 7 plus 300 times 46 times 2 times 8, and adding all that together. That's the number. Let me go to Excel spreadsheet to demonstrate the calculation. The data is exactly the same as the PDF file I just showed. Let's look at the first example, SUMPRODUCT of 2 arrays. Each array has 2 columns and 6 rows. You could type in first array, or you can use the mouse to select the area. Then let's select the second array, push return on the Mac, and then the SUMPRODUCT is calculated. Let's look at the second example. In this example, each column is treated as array. In between arrays, comma. Let's select second array, enter a comma, and select third array and last array. Push return on my Mac. That's it. If you like the video, please thumbs up or subscribe. This will motivate me to make more videos. Thanks for watching.